I was in the mood for a shave, so I went to my usual spot, down at the barber shop. And I went to my usual barber, Paul Mitchell. Hey Paul. To make me silky smooth. My mother always told me not to go to the barber shop at Paul Mitchell. She said go to Antonio's, but I never listened. She said there were better prices and nicer service, but all I cared about was that sweet blue nectar Paul Mitchell called Barberside. He gave me luscious locks like Jennifer Aniston. He began to lather me up and wet me down. It's all in this preparation. He cut my stash. But the funny thing was, it kept on growing. Yikes. So he kept cutting and cutting. I couldn't believe what was going on. Everything looked to be fine. But then, gee dang it, it kept growing longer and thicker. I had become Mustache Man.